Here we've got flipped mobile home and another one over here that isn't flipped over. Gonna take some shots with the Mosin and my double barrel. Let's have some fun. All right, got some stripper clips loaded up. Mosin is ready to go. It is a nice brisk 19 degrees out here, and I forgot to bring my gloves. But let's take some shots. Okay, so we've got this mobile home. I'm gonna set up the camera right over here. I'm shooting from about 100 yards away, roughly. But I'll probably be shooting somewhere around here, just so I don't hit my phone. And yeah, we'll see what it sounds like from this perspective. All right, I kind of want to see what happens when I shoot this steel wheel with the good old Mosin Nagant. And I'm going to leave my little tripod up close, not too close, but close enough to where we can see what happens. Let's shoot it. All right, so let's see what happened. Okay. Well, did pretty much what I thought it would do. It just kind of sails right on through. Cracked the hub pretty good. And if you can tell, you can see the mild steel core that these bullets contain. They're not armor piercing, not quite, but they do have a penetrator in there, just for a little bit more punching power. But I'd say I did a good number on the wheel. Sweet.